start here. It's like you
Yeah,
expose yourself into getting an injury. So start from here, push it down. This is the safest, and then you go.
So अभी हम दुबई मॉल जिम में हैं और आज हम लोग पुश वर्कआउट करने जा रहे हैं। तो आ जाओ, आपको कुछ नया वर्कआउट देखने को मिलेगा। हम लोग क्या क्या कैसे कैसे पुश वर्कआउट करते हैं। भाई तो आज ऐसे मिक्स ट्रेनिंग करने जा रहे हैं। कोई ऐसा स्पेसिफिक नहीं है कि कैलिस्थेनिक का कर रहे हैं या वेट ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं। लाइक मिक्स है इसमें, कैलिस्थेनिक एंड वेट ट्रेनिंग एंड मोस्टली जर्मन वॉल्यूम टाइप ऑफ ट्रेनिंग है। सो या
Microphone too, huh?
Yeah. Come on.
How is it with wind?
Wind, I have the wind proof.
So now to change it up, I'm gonna go different. I'm gonna go really
By
wide.
that, yeah, okay.
Really wide for like 5 reps. Probably at the bottom, I'll place it on my chest. Okay. I'll change over the grip. And I'll finish 5 more. Okay. So I'm changing.
So after 5 you will change, after 10 you will change?
Yeah, after 5.
After 5, okay.
Yeah. So it's like a 2 exercises almost. So I'm resting my body somehow, but still finishing the 10 reps. Make it more interesting for you. We can go on the knees as well.
Okay, we can go on then.
Yeah. And to make it more interesting, let's do flies, squeeze, 10. Very good. So let's say that's 10, then press 10.
After 10, again 10.
Yeah, so you see it was like a fly with this motion, then it went into pushing motion. 10. Same weight, it's like a drop set. It's like a drop set because if you don't think of it as 2 exercises, fly is a harder exercise, press is an easier exercise. So it becomes like a drop set from the muscle itself. The muscle doesn't know.
First going 10, 1.
Straighter. Or like this. Yeah. Straighter even. Down. Yeah, squeeze at the bottom.
Right. There, now
And
that
then like dips, same like dips. So you keep your arms close to your body. Yeah. You can go even like this. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Imagine there's a bar below you, right? So the bar would be here. And squeeze at the bottom. You can join them together if you want to hit this, or you can stay out to hit this, whatever you want to hit. Because if you come down pressing like this, you'll hit this. Yeah. We can go heavier?
yeah, little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. And body little leaning forward, right?
Yeah. I'll do the wide one. It's very good for you, for calisthenics. This is very good.
Good now?
Yes. Nice, come on. You feel the chest burning? So, why it's good for your calisthenics? Because it's unstable, right? Also, here the bar would be just a fixed thing. This you have. So it's working on your,
larger muscle.
not for strength, but definitely for stability.
Stabilizer muscle.
Yeah, it's for sure very good for you. I think this kind of stuff would improve like the flags and stuff like that. So we can do like or 8-8 or 7-8 or whatever. I'm not saying I know more than anyone else. I like to explain.
No, everyone has a different knowledge, yeah.
Okay, let's try 7-7. Don't go too high now.
Okay.
You don't want to pull something here, so this is enough. Yeah. Say in the range of motion, you need to stay nice.
7.
Yes. Try 8 here now. 1, 2, that's it. 3, and Squeeze. Yeah. Yeah, come on. One more set.
Yeah.
More in total.
Yeah.
Card there as well.
Yeah.
Very good. If you don't need their phone, you know, you just
Yeah.
And the microphone.
Very good. Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah.
very good. I don't know if you have Apple Watch or not,
No,
but
I was using before. Then I thought I got hope.
I was really impressed with it. And this battery life is like
Two
almost
days.
3 days.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Because it's heavy, you can start with pushing down,
Okay.
and then straight arms come up to save, limit. Yeah, because you don't wanna, with a heavy weight, you don't wanna start here. It's like you
Yeah,
expose
it's,
yourself into
yeah.
getting an injury. So
Yeah.
start from here, push it down. This is the safest, and then you go one. I already have a torn chest.
You have had with.
It's ripped.
Oh, so you got injury before here?
Yeah, it's snapped from the bone. Be a Dutch.
Yeah. So now going down first, and then
Yeah, that's better. Nice. Squeeze.
yeah.
Now press. Yeah, good.
अभी केबल क्रॉस किए खत्म अभी शोल्डर पे जा रहे
For us, we know how to use.
हैं दा
It's different. Usually I just go to about here or 90 degrees.
90 degree.
Yeah. That's like the safest, and you can go heavy.
I can go 20 I think.
Yeah. I was just checking something. For me, I'll go heavier.
Go अभी 5
30 kilos into 10.
10 हाँ हाँ
3 more sets, and let's go like 8 to 10 reps. 8 to 10.
okay.
Like I said, 8 to 10.
I will go 20 only.
Yeah. Nice. Easy. Seven only.
Okay, I can go 5 more.
Because the angle I'm looking for the bench, this should be actually straight.
Okay, more straight, yeah, more vertical.
It's not good this way. So let's do the opposite now, one or two sets.
Okay.
We will face this way
Okay,
to hit the right angle for us.
okay, yeah.
I think actually it's going to be much nicer.
Come on, go, very good. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, very good. 4, come on, 5, 5, 5, come on, go, go. 6, I'm here, come on, go, 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 6. Yeah, 7, very good. 8, very good, very good. Yeah.
Five more. Let's go non-stop now. Finisher non-stop. 5, 5, 5, 5.
Okay.
4 times.
Okay.
20 reps.
Okay.
But just 5, 5, 5, 5. Should be okay, I think.
Okay. So अभी हम लोग 5, 5, 5, 5, 20 reps आ रहे हैं. Fuck. It's killing. Okay, what next?
Lateral raises.
Okay. Yeah. So we are going for lateral raises now.
Can do. Let's do seating.
Sit it.
Maybe something new for you.
Okay. Yeah.
Shoulders back.
Yeah, retracted.
It changes the posture.
Yeah.
Back here also. And bend over like this. So the dumbbells you can touch. If you want to, you can touch.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm not saying we will touch, but
Yeah.
if you want, you can. Because if you're here, you cannot touch.
Yeah. You will get more range.
Yeah, so we go from there. 1, 2. I did 12, but it doesn't matter. Just get the movement in there.
Here.
Yes, very good. So the idea is to hit this part of your shoulder. It's something always empty for everyone. Yeah. 12, man.
12. Okay.
You can swing a little bit.
Little bit body.
You can cheat a little bit, so you can go like a negative rep. You can go up.
Then controlling eccentric. Yeah.
Take it.
10. I'll bring the water bottle.
Almost broke my wrist. We went to but it's okay. Imagine this morning, I woke up 7 a.m. I take water. This is so painful, and no
You're not
power.
able to hold the
I
water.
couldn't hold the water.
Oh wow.
It dropped. What? Then I'm like, I'm practicing. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
I'm doing repetitions, squeezing the bottle.
Yeah.
Then the muscle warmed up. Then
Yeah.
I
Then
could
okay.
lean in,
Yeah.
lean in, and then
And go up.
boom, boom.
Yeah.
So you use a bit of back and just kind of,
Yeah.
you rock it up, hold it, and as much as you can slow down.
Main control eccentric when you're coming down. Yeah.
It's kind of like a negative rep. It's a good. I always, people say cheating.
No, no. It's
It's not cheating. It's smart training.
smart training. That's true.
Hold it.
Suppose going here
Nice.
and pulling back. Very good. You are doing much better than me. Very good. But you did very nicely. Much better than me.
I almost died though. But thank you.
7. Yeah, very good.
Nice. Wow.
It's so hard. Huh? 6. Forward. Go forward. Like not going backward, going
That's what you meant
forward.
by forward. Okay.
Yeah. forward. Yeah. Scapula protected full up. Right.
Yeah, that's completely different. But I feel it more.
More.
That was good.
I was telling to do this one, this push up. So going here, go full open and come back. This one.
But the bottom part is like forearm, a lot of forearm, I think, yeah?
Not forearm only.
Like when you go past here, it's like chest and forearm pulling, I think.
No, more shoulder also. Engaging shoulder. When I'm going down, shoulder and little bit forearm and bicep. अगर आप मेरे चैनल में नया हो तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट करना मत भूलें, क्योंकि आपके लिए मैं काफ़ी सारा इस तरह के नए नए वीडियो लेकर आता रहूँगा। थैंक यू सो मच।